Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable Windows 11 hotkeys in Microsoft Surface, Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus or Acer. So click on Start, type here REGEDIT, right click on Registry Editor, run as administrator. Now guys, first thing you have to export your registry editor. So backup your registry editor, select all and give a name and save it. So once you need, so you can import your registry editor. Expand HK current user, then software, then expand Microsoft. Now here expand Windows. Now expand current version. Now expand policies. Now double click on Explorer. Now right click anywhere, new, select D132 and type here no win keys. Now right click on it, modify and make white data 1. Then click on OK. Now close this registry editor and restart your PC. Hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, you can fix and resolve and you can disable Windows 11 hotkeys in Microsoft PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not and this method work for you or not.